Hello everyone, and welcome back to our MySQL Beginner to Pro series. In today's video, we'll learn about joins in MySQL, what they are, why we use them, and how to apply different types of joins with practical examples. So, let's get started. What is a join in SQL? A join is used to combine records from two or more tables based on a related column between them. It helps us fetch combined data in a single query, which is very useful in real-world applications. Why are joins used? Joins are used to display combined data from related tables, write efficient and organized queries, and solve real-time problems like combining employee details with department details. Types of joins in MySQL. There are four main types of joins in MySQL. 1. Inner join. 2. Left join. 3. Right join. 4. Full outer join, conceptually using union.
Step 1. Create two sample tables. Let's first create two tables, employees and departments. Query. Create table employees, int, primary key, employee name, var character 50, dept ID int. Create table departments, dept ID, int, primary key, dept name, var character 50. Tables created. Now let's add some records. Query, insert into employees, int, employee name, var character 50, dept int, values 1, Pranav, 101, 2, Amit, 102, and 3, Neha, 103. Insert into departments, dept int, dept name, var character 50, values 101, IT, 102, HR, 104, Finance. Data inserted successfully.
Use inner join. An inner join returns records that have matching values in both tables. Query. Select employees.emp ID, employees.name, departments.dept name from employees, inner join departments on employees.dept ID equals departments.dept ID. See, only those records are displayed where department exists in both tables.
Use left join. A left join returns all records from the left table and matched records from the right table. Unmatched records from the right side appear as null. Query. Select employees.emp ID, employees.emp name, departments.dept name from employees. Left join departments on employees.dept ID equals departments.dept ID. All employees shown with department name or null. Use right join. A right join returns all records from the right table and matched records from the left table. Query. Select employees.empid, employees.empname, departments.dept-name from employees right join departments on employees.deptid equals departments.deptid. All departments shown with employee details or null.
Full outer join workaround. MySQL does not support full outer join directly, but we can achieve the same using union of left and right join. Query. Select employees.empid, employees.empname, departments.deptname from employees, left join departments on employees.deptid equals departments.deptid, union, select employees.empid, employees.empname, departments.deptname from employees, right join departments
on employees.deptID equals departments.deptID. This gives combined records from both tables with matching and unmatched records. Some important interview questions you might get. What is the difference between inner join and left join? How can you perform a full join in MySQL? Can a table join itself, self-join? Can joins work with multiple tables? What's next? And that's it for today's video. In the next episode, we'll learn about subqueries in MySQL, how to write queries inside queries with practical examples. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more practical MySQL tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.